Instagram TV just launched. What is it and how do you go ahead and use it? What's going on, guys? My name is Anthony. Welcome to the video. If you don't know who I am or you're new here, I make videos like this to help you guys go ahead and grow and monetize your Instagram business. But today, this is a very special video because Instagram has finally launched their 60-second video platform. So what is Instagram TV? It basically just launched. I wanted to come here and make this video and get you guys the information as fast as you can. I've already went ahead and started playing around with posting on it, so I see insights, I see how it kind of works. So a little bit later in the video, I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to see insights, exactly how the platform works and how you can go ahead and use it effectively. But what Instagram TV really is basically just a place where you can upload vertical videos that are up to 60 minutes long. Instagram also has an IGTV app, so that not only can you access it through Instagram's platform alone, but it also has its own separate app. So if you don't want to scroll through Instagram and you just strictly want to see the video content, you can go straight to the IGTV app and straight up see that video content. And that is really what Instagram TV is. You know, as far as growth tips on it and how do you get out to a more a more established audience, look, any video that you watch right now is going to be complete bullshit. Nobody really knows what's going on. Nobody really knows how you're going to go ahead and start capitalizing on it. If there's anybody talking about giving you growth tips or giving you ways to increase your views you're getting or your engagement you're getting, they're full of shit. The thing just launched. Nobody knows exactly what to do. The answer to you is, if you're trying to use this and you're trying to get your views up or whatever it is, test. Do it and test, okay? Pioneer this. Right now, this whole thing is just a big learning process. Stay ahead of the curve, upload videos, spend time in the platform and see what happens, okay? Any tips that you're getting right now, it's just from people who don't know what they're talking about and they're making a video for views. There's no way you know how to growth hack this when it literally just launched. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys into my phone so you can see the post that I made. I'll take you through some of the insights and through some of that stuff and you guys can see how the platform actually works. So let's go into my phone.
All right, guys, what is going on? So here we are in my phone. This is real quick, just on my personal account. Not really posting on it yet, not really growing on it, but it is the best place for me to go ahead and flip some content that I already had laying around onto this. So if you come to your own profile, when you upload something to IGTV, the same way that you can pin a story, IGTV is there. So you can go ahead and click this, other people can click it, and it brings up your post that you have right there. The other way to access Instagram TV is to go to your homepage, and you could come right up here and right next to your inbox. It looks like they even updated the inbox colors. So, but right next to your inbox is something that looks like a little old TV set. You could click that, and immediately what pops up is a few different things. Let me just turn down my volume here. But immediately what pops up is for you. So this is what Instagram is basically recommending to you, and probably based off of people that you follow that is actually trending. So I think this is the relevant content section of people that you're following, and then you can go strictly to people that you're following. So now you'd be able to probably see everybody that is posting. So I just have 3 people here as of right now. It's myself, so yourself pops up there, and then a few other people that I'm following that are being displayed there. And now here is the popular page. So this is where you're going to discover new things. This is basically the explore page for Instagram. Now, where things will get really interesting is when we find out how to rank content on this popular page for Instagram TV, okay? I've already seen a couple of people releasing videos giving tips on how to grow their Instagram TV, and it's honestly just comical because the platform has been out for less than 24 hours. Okay, so be very careful of who you take advice from on anything, whether it's social media or whether it's anything else. Most people make things just for the sake of views. This video is mainly just showing you guys how to properly use the platform, okay? Nobody really knows how to growth hack this yet. It came out less than 24 hours ago. Then you have your continue watching. So this is basically videos that you started but didn't finish. So if you look at right here, from Luxury World Traveler, you can see a white line on an empty gray line that's like half filled. So if I click this, it would pick up from where I left off. Another thing that I like is when you swap through videos, it actually kind of gives like an old school TV style, like right there. Instagram will kind of pause it, and it's like the buffering screen is like an old static screen. I think that's really pretty cool. It just gives a nice, unique, different characteristic style touch where you'll know it's Instagram TV every time you do it. Then that's basically all you have there. You could search IGTV. I've tried the search. It seems like there's not really any SEO to the platform as far as searching up titles of video content, but you can search up channels. So for example, if I typed in, I don't know, just for the sake of doing this, Justin, I'm sure something's going to pop up. and channels would basically pop up right there. There's a list. It's just buffering right now, but a list of channels. So here we go. So you get everybody whose name is Justin. So the SEO is still done through the username, unless if you know, something comes out or there's I'm not using it correctly. But this is so far, this is all my testing. I've been spending quite a few hours on the platform so far. So if I go back here, then the other thing you can do is click your profile. So through search, there's your profile right here. You could click that. And you're basically on your profile, and your profile shows up just like how it basically does on Instagram. You got your bio. Now, to upload content, a lot of people are don't know how to upload content. Since I have a piece of content uploaded, it's not going to say it, but if you go to your profile, on the bottom there will say upload, or I think with this plus sign right here, you can also upload. You can go through your camera gallery and upload whatever it is that you want to go ahead and upload. And then just to view stuff that is on your profile, if you go back here, you could also skip, basically like stories. This is basically kind of like stories. It's basically like long form video stories. You go to your profile, you can click view, and you can start viewing the video. So my video isn't formatted correctly. I thought I had it formatted correctly, but I think I made it a little too big. So make sure before you upload a video, don't make the mistake I did. Make sure you know exactly what the screen is. So I'm going to do a little bit more testing with this, but it fit the screen just enough, and I really wanted to go ahead and test this. So now, as far as your own content, how do you track analytics on it, all that stuff? Well, when you tap it like this, up here is your title. On the drop down, there's also description, so you can add a title and description. That's all done when you're uploading the video itself. Then you could go here, you could check your views and your comments, if this is going to go ahead and load for us. It seems like this has a few bugs, but you know, it's slow because probably there's a lot of traffic to it. Here we go. So you get your comments right here, almost like a normal Instagram post. And then the other cool thing you can do, so obviously you'd like this, just like a normal Instagram post like that. You click these three bars right here, and you could go to Insights, and now you know exactly what's going on. So what I like is it actually tracks your audience retention. So right now, I have a 4% audience retention rate, which is really, really bad. So I know that I probably need to format this thing right and make something that's, basically optimized for Instagram stories, because this is just a flipped YouTube video that I went ahead and threw up on here just to see how everything kind of works. So it gives you your audience retention rates. It tells you your comments, your likes, and your views. So right now, we're at 50 views, about literally just posted this thing. And then you could go ahead and tap it and back out of that. So that is basically how Instagram IGTV is working. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you drop it a like, make sure you drop it a comment. Once Instagram TV is more found out, I need to spend a little bit more time on the platform. I will be updating you guys with proper ways of how to use it to go ahead and grow your followings and all of that type of stuff. But right now, I'm not going to go ahead and make a 3 tips in 3 minutes on Instagram TV, how to grow it, because it's bullshit. Okay, if I made a video about that, I'd literally be doing it for views, and I want to keep this channel super transparent with you guys. I'm not going to make videos just for the sake of views and just for the sake of getting a video on it when nobody has any practical tips on this. So with that said, if you guys are looking to grow your followings, if you guys are new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I teach you guys how to grow your Instagram from 0 to hero, how to gain 10,000 followers a month, how to go ahead and do everything like that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. With all that said, keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one.